On this video, we're going to be looking to how to connect your Outlook email to Hubspot. So I'm here on the main page for Hubspot, and I'm simply going to look on the right here, and you're going to see an arrow that says connect your inbox. So if I click connect my inbox, this should pop up, and it's also asking if I want to connect my calendar for meetings. So I'm going to leave that checked on. So click connect, click continue, and that's going to take you to a sign-in page for a website. As I am already logged in on a Microsoft, it's just asking me to confirm it. So here is saying that like a HubSpot's going to have access to view basic profiles, send emails, you have full access to your calendar. So yeah, you want to give consent because you're trying to link both applications together, and just click accept. So that's the first part of the installation, guys. Make sure to watch the second part to completely link your Outlook with your HubSpot account.